Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to go over two dividend ETFs. Dividends are a great source of passive income just for being a shareholder of the dividend paying stocks or ETF. So first ETF is a Vanguard ETF, ticker symbol VIG. So this is a Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, currently priced at $110 per share. Past year, down 0.22%. Past 5 years, up 35.96%. Scrolling down a bit, market cap is $40 billion. P ratio is 20.18, and dividend yield is 1.89%. So essentially, this tracks the market cap weighted index of U.S. companies that have increased their annual dividends for 10 or more consecutive years. And you want to have a consistent dividend payout. Just with a better track record means that they'll sustain their dividend. And this ETF has an expense ratio of 0.06%, which is built into the ETF. And that's a fairly low expense ratio for an ETF. Taking a look at the holdings within the ETF. So this includes Microsoft, Walmart, Procter & Gamble, Visa, Johnson & Johnson, Comcast, Abbott Labs, McDonald's, Costco, Medtronic. So these are some big blue chip companies that you recognize and have a solid dividend paying yield. Next ETF I want to go over is another Vanguard ETF. So that's ticker symbol VYM. This is Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, currently priced at $74.94 per share. Past year, down 12.5%. Past 5 years, up 6.89%. Scrolling down a bit, market cap is $24 billion. P ratio is 14, and dividend yield is 3.66%. So the P ratio is relatively lower than the other ETF I mentioned, and the dividend yield is a little higher. So this one is a little less volatile, and the payout is higher. This tracks the high dividend yield index and includes companies that's excluding REITs, and it's weighted by market cap. This is also 0.06% expense ratio, which is relatively low. Taking a look at the holdings within this ETF. So the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. This includes JP Morgan, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, AT&T, Intel, Verizon, ExxonMobil, Coca-Cola, Merck, and Pfizer. So these are all blue chip companies, so companies you recognize. And these have a fairly relatively higher payout in terms of dividend yield and are less volatile than the other ETF I mentioned. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on dividend paying stocks and ETFs? Comment down below. Remember to use more links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.